What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a quick look at Avalanche here, and as we can see, as we always like to do, we start on the daily time frame, and you can see these higher highs and higher lows on the macro time frame looking very good indeed. You can see here we pulled our Fibonacci as always from the high in February, March, April, May time down to the low that we saw in July. Very nice fib pull here from the high to the low. You can see here just how much these levels were respected as well, up to the all-time high, back down to the Series 7-8. Up to, we've got a little bit of an overextension here, retesting the previous all-time high. We run up to the 127, the 141. We get rejected, so we come back down to this previous swing high area here at around the $80 level. We come down, we kind of form a an M W top here, don't we? A little bit of a double top where we're basically starting to run out of momentum, and you can see the bearish divergences as well. We start to get stuck under this RSI here, looking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we finally get the breakout here on number 5, where we essentially break out the resistance we've been in for some time after having this fairly large capitulation for Avax down to around this swing low of $53, but scooped up at around that $60 level, which very interestingly was this previous all-time high where we drew the fib from. You can see we come down, come back up, and then we come down again and find support on that previous resistance, which is really good to see. But, Avalanche, this project, I mean, it's just getting a ton of adoption, isn't it? So many projects that we know about constantly getting listed on Avalanche, getting launched on there. It's just cheap, super fast, affordable. Obviously, if we do start seeing projects have subnets on the platform as well, that's super bullish for the price of Avax. We do think that in general, when smart contract platforms, they do start to get a lot of adoption, their token tends to rise in value as well because everyone's so bullish on it. And you can see here, this is no exception for Avalanche either. We do think that it is probably going to continue to head to the upside in a big way as we continue, seeing more and more adoption for the platform. You can see right now, Avalanche very nicely has come back inside this range here that we were talking about here, this very key range, resistance support. We come out of it, but we come back into it now, heading back towards that 127 level here at $100, a very critical level. We do think this will probably be quite a strong resistance, maybe get a rejection, a back test, and then do something like this, where we come up to new all-time highs over the next 3 or 4 months, provided the market plays ball, of course. But overall, we're super bullish on Avax. The chart is suggesting, that we're going to have some nice price action in the future. This dip has got bought up pretty extensively, and now you can see we're heading back up towards, some of these higher price points that we've made in the recent past. So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, we would like to direct your attention to the free Discord in the description. Go down there and check it out, sign up. It's totally free. It takes like 10 seconds. Just click the link, follow this arrow to the downside here, this arrow right here. You see this arrow, go in the description down there, sign up to the free Discord. Over 1,000 people in there now, absolutely amazing community. You won't regret it. And if you do want to support the channel, sign up to the Patreon. Link is also in the description. Go down there and check out all the links, by the way. You get access to our private Discord. We're doing daily Bitcoin signals. We've got alpha on potential 100x projects. We've got all kinds of good stuff in there. So if you do want to sign up, support the channel and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that all being said then, if we're heading to the downside, we would expect this level here at around $78 to hold the bottom of the range here as support. That would be very good to see. But reasonably, we're probably heading up towards that $100 level first at the 127 extension. We do think that's extremely likely. And beyond that, I mean, there's no reason in our opinion why we can't see a $200, $300, $400, maybe even $500 Avax over the next year or so if we do see a massive growth in the whole market. So That's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychologist and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.